going on, guys? It's Vinny here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace the rear hatch struts on your 2005 Scion TC. Alright, so for those of you guys who do not know what the hatch struts are, these things right here, those are what actually holds this hatch up when you go to lift it up. And when they go bad, from what you guys can see, it's pretty heavy. So, I'm going to replace those bad boys today. So here's the hatch struts that I got on Amazon. Throw a link in the description for those.
Just gonna open them up and show you guys what we're talking about here.
These are the hatch struts that will fit a 2005 to 2010 Scion TC. Over time, the rear hatch struts on these cars end up getting weak, and eventually they give out and fail, which in my case was what happened to me. So a little quick story. I was working on my car like I usually do in my driveway on the Scion TC. I was working on my car and it was really windy out like it is today. I had the rear hatch open. I was just cleaning out all the leaves and stuff that usually gets collected in that crack. And before you know it, a big gust of wind came and actually blew the hatch down. I saw it in the corner of my eye and I tried to remove my hands, but I was not quick enough. And boy, did that one hurt. What you're seeing right there is the dent that it made from my thumb being smashed in between the hatch and the side pillar of the back of this car. The trunk hatch actually locked shut, so I was trapped in position, yelling for help. Luckily, my brother inside heard me and came running out to unlock the trunk for me. Big shout out to my brother for coming out to save the day in my life. What? Anyways, back to the video. All right, first step, if you guys don't have a partner for this, is you're gonna wanna get two 2x4s, measured these at a length of about 42 inches. And we're gonna use two of these just to be safe. So replacing this strut once you have the hatch lifted up is actually the easier part. So what you're gonna do is lift the tab on the head of the strut with a flathead screwdriver.
And you're gonna get it behind this.
So right here I'm just showing you guys how I get the flathead and kind of wiggle it under that clip on the end of the hatch strut. Once you lift that clip up, you will be able to remove the hatch strut from the ball stud. And then pop it straight back off at you. Same thing for the inner one. Now just note that if those wooden pieces fall, you're gonna crush your hands or your fingers or your arms, and this thing is heavy, so be careful. I would definitely recommend holding it with your hand while doing this. Now we're gonna use the same method to remove the inner part of the strut from the ball stud. After removing the hatch strut out of the way, now would be a good time to clean everything out. Once everything's clean, now you're ready to install the new strut. So it looks like on this new hatch strut, both of the ends can unscrew. This is just for adjustment once you have one side on and you're trying to get the other on. You're gonna see two sides of this. This side goes on first. So for this next part, you're gonna see how that doesn't meet up. You're gonna actually have to lift the lid up a little bit more to get that on. So when you lift that, the wood pieces are probably gonna fall out unless you have somebody else there holding it for you. I'm gonna put these back in. Make sure to fully inspect and test the new hatch struts. Alright guys, and there you have it. The rear strut install in a 2005 to 2010 Scion TC. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll leave a link down in the description. Leave a comment if you guys have any questions. Enjoy.